So 3 years ago, I went to Southeast Asia and fell in love with Vietnamese Banh Mi. Hey, welcome back to The Average Kitchen. Can't wait to get at this one today. Vietnamese Bahn Mi Sandwich. Yesterday I marinated chicken thighs that we're gonna grill in an amazing marinade, homemade, that consists of ketchup, garlic, sesame oil, honey, Chinese 5-spice, and this little secret ingredient right here, this Maggi seasoning. If you could find this stuff's amazing. It only takes a couple drops, but it really gives that real punch of flavor. So after we finish grilling these thighs, we're gonna build the most amazing sandwich. Let's get after it. Thighs are on. I want to explain one thing real quick here. I got a grilling mat, and I know some of the barbecue enthusiasts who be like, yeah, you can't use a grilling mat. Well, I'm going to use one because chicken thighs are super delicate as it is. So I definitely want to make sure that they don't rip apart. Now with the grilling mat, you still will get some grill marks, but I will probably just kiss the grill with these when they're almost done. And because there's a lot of honey in this marinade, I definitely don't want these to stick and rip apart. So there's my explanation for the grilling mat. Chicken off the grill, resting, tented with some tin foil here, aluminum foil, and then I got all my ingredients prepped. Some fresh cilantro, some thinly sliced cucumbers in cold water. I highly recommend putting those in the fridge just for a little bit of time, just to let them really crisp up, because it gives us such a nice crunch to your sandwich. Fresh jalapenos, optional if you're not a big jalapeno person. And then I've got some pre-pickled daikon and carrot. So I'm gonna add the instructions on how to pickle these. They don't smell amazing off the hop, but they taste, highly, highly recommend, taste amazing. So, fresh buns. Don't necessarily need a fresh bun. I went to a bakery this morning. If you don't have a super fresh bun, toast it. A lot of people like their banh mi's toasted. Then you're gonna put some, I'm gonna use mayo, but you could definitely use avocado if you want, a couple drops of Maggi sauce, and then some freshly cracked pepper. So it's time to build a sandwich.